everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to remove friends in Mini Militia Doodle Army 2. To remove or delete friends in Mini Militia, open up the Mini Militia app on your device first, and from the home screen tap on the friends icon on the right hand corner of the main screen. You will then come across your friends list. Locate your friend you wish to remove. Now tap on the little cross button right in front of the online or the offline button for the chosen friend. Now, in the pop-up, to confirm the deletion, click on Remove. Right after that, you will be able to delete or remove the friend from your friend list. If your Mini Militia account is linked to Facebook, then the friends you wish to remove is also a Facebook friend. You may need to unfriend them on Facebook directly. And that's how you easily remove a friend in Mini Militia. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Mini Militia tutorials. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.